Hey lovelies, join me as I unbox my new content creation accessories. So I decided to upgrade, a little, because 2024 we intend to take this content creation thing to the next level. You know what I'm talking about. So here's the story behind the whole thing. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I stumbled on KB Global Communication. So I went to her page and I checked out the things she was selling, and I realized she had most of the things I needed at a very good price. To be honest, the prices were okay, the prices were affordable and good. So I was like, should I trust this person? So I sent her a message and told her I'd like to order the influencer lights and the sturdy tripod stand, and she was like, yeah, she could deliver today. I was like, today? I'm just ordering. And guess what, she had the option for pay on delivery. I thought she was joking. In my mind, I'm like, why would you have that kind of offer in Lagos here? You're doing pay on delivery. So I was like, okay, fine, let me get the items first, then I'll see if I want them or not, then I'll pay. Yeah, she was like, okay, cool. So I ordered the influencer light and this very good sturdy tripod. Tripod is 5.5 feet, really tall. You can use it for any kind of content creation. So this is one of my best upgrade. So I decided to get the influencer light. Yeah, as you can see, that's the influencer light. I decided to get the influencer light too. It's not always easy going around carrying your ring lights. It's not, that's not how we want to do it in 2024, you get. So this is me using the lights. And it's actually so bright. I'm currently charging it so I can see the full effect of the light. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. A bientôt. Au revoir.